topic we'll do today? Fractions, part 6. Okay. Now, what are equivalent fraction? I discussed what are proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction. What are those? Proper fraction is a fraction where numerator lesser than denominator. Improper fraction is a fraction where numerator is greater than the denominator. What are mixed fraction? Fraction consisting of uh, whole number and fraction is called mixed fraction, or fraction expressed in the form q r by d is called mixed fraction. Like fraction, fractions having the same denominator is called like fraction. Okay. Now we'll discuss what are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are fractions that have different denominator and numerator and denominator, but are equal to the same value. What are the equivalent fractions? They have this different numerator and denominator, but they will be equal to the same value. Example, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, both are equal to 1 by 2. How? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 by 4 is also equal to 1 by 2. 3 by 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 3 by 6 also equal to 1 by 2. They are equivalent. Equivalent fractions are fractions that represent same amount even though they may appear to be different. So here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, all are equal to 1 by 2 only. How? 3 by 6 is out, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 1 by 2, 3 by 6 also equal to 1 by 2. 4 by 8 is also equal to 1 by 2. How? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 4 by 8 is also equal to 1 by 2. Look at the following pictures. We divide the cake into number of slices indicated by the denominator. Okay. So here, one cake is divided into two pieces. So one part of the cake Ram ate. So what part of the cake he ate? 1 out of 2. So fraction can be represented as 1 by 2. Now in the next, cake is divided into 8 pieces. Okay. So Raju ate 3 pieces of that. What part of the cake Raju ate? 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is also equal to 1 by 2. How? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Next cake is divided into 8 pieces, 8 equal pieces. Ram ate 4 pieces of the cake. How many number of pieces is Ram ate? 4 out of 8, or fraction you can write as 4 by 8. Okay. Now, how do we know that fractions are equivalent? By cross multiplication. Cross multiplying the two fraction. What is the formula? Numerator 1 into denominator 2 is equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2. What is this numerator 1, denominator 1 and all? Numerator 1 means first fraction, numerator of the first fraction. Denominator 1 means denominator of the first fraction. Numerator 2 means it is the numerator of the second fraction. Denominator 2, denominator of the second fraction. Now example, 2 by 5 and 10 by 25. You have to check if these are equivalent or not. Now, 2 into 25. Why you have done 2 into 25 here? Numerator 1 is 2 and denominator 2 is 25, which is equal to 5 into 10. Why 5 into 10? Denominator 1 is 5 and numerator 2 is 10. So 50 is equal to 50. They are equivalent fractions. Here, 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. The numerator 1 into denominator 2 should be equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2. 3 into 5 is equal to 4 into 4. Are they equal? Is 15 equal to 16, children? No. So they are not equivalent fractions. That's all. Formula for calculating equivalent fraction is what? You have to cross multiply, or you can do like this. Numerator 1 into denominator 2 should be equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2. Okay. Write 3 equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. 3 by 5, 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20. So if it simplifies 6 by 10, 3 twos are 6, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. We'll get 3 by 5. 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15. 3 by 5 again. 4 threes are 12, 4 fives are 20. 3 by 5. The equivalent fractions of 1 by 4. How you get the equivalent fraction? Multiply numerator denominator by the same number. 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, like that. Equivalent fractions 1 by 4 are 2 by 8, 3 by 12, 4 by 16. How? 1 by 4 into 2 by 2 is 2 by 8. 1 by 4 into 3 by 3, 3 by 12. 1 by 4 into 4 by 4 is 4 by 16. Okay. 2 by 8 if simplified. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. All will be equal to 1 by 4 only. Solve the following here. I have given some 5 problems. You have to try. I will do one for you. 2 by 3 into 2 by 2, 4 by 6 into 3 by 3, 6 by 9 into 4 by 4, 8 by 12 into 5 by 5, 10 by 15 into 6 by 6, 12 by 18. Like this you have to do for the rest 4. Okay children, we'll meet in the next session.